Axis is the world's first online content creation tool, and Axis Track is our hosted asset management tool for all graphics created in Axis. In this demo, I'm going to show you how easy it is to reskin and share content with other users in your organization anywhere in the world. Everything that you're going to see here is hosted on our secure internet-based servers, giving your staff access to everything your organization created in Axis from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. Hopefully you've already seen demos of how easy it is to create graphics inside of Axis. If not, watch any of the other demo podcasts to get an idea of how that works. But in this demo, we're just going to concentrate a little bit on how easy it is for a person in one location to utilize content created in another location using Track. The user that I'm logged in as works in a facility that has a certain graphic look. In this case, my on-air graphic look is sort of a red-silver thing. Other facilities in my organization may have the same look as me, but it's entirely possible that they'll also have a completely different look as well. With Axis, it really doesn't matter because we can handle reskinning that for you. Let's look at Track and see what sort of graphics have been created by other people in our organization. Now, I can search for 3 different things in Track. Composites, which are the completed graphics that we've made in the other Axis products. Content, which is the imagery from either our third-party image data providers or images that you've uploaded yourself into your organization's library. And then templates, which are the templates that are used in Axis News. I can search for particular keywords, and I can choose individual libraries to search. I can even drill down to see results from individual users if I choose, or composites created for a particular show, for example, or even filter out everything except a particular type of graphic. Maybe, I don't know, if I'm looking for a map, for example. I can also specify a date range to search in, just so I can be certain of when that composite was created. So, for purposes of this, I'm going to search for composites, and let's search for all types of graphics in all libraries, and any composites created using the keyword earthquake. You can see here that there's a selection of different types of graphics here. Some are maps, some are full screens, some are over the shoulders. So to see a larger preview of a graphic, I can select the thumbnail or multiple thumbnails if I want, and click the View button. This is going to open up a larger version of the composite so I can see greater detail. If the graphic is exactly what I want, I can actually save the completed graphic at this point. But in this case, I'm going to want to make some minor changes. So to repurpose any of these, I'm just going to close out this window. All I need to do is click on the little pencil icon just beneath the thumbnail, and the composite will open up in Axis News. Take note, however, of the graphic style of the composite. This over-the-shoulder was created by a different station in my organization that uses a very red graphic look. As you saw earlier, my look is sort of red and silver. Axis is going to reskin the composite into my graphic look automatically. So the composite is loaded into News with the same content. By that, I mean the images and the text that the other person used when they built it originally. But it's replaced all the stylistic elements with those that belong to my own graphic look. I can make whatever modifications I wish here, and then I can assemble the image just like I do with any other graphic in Axis. All graphics in Axis, including the one I just created, are automatically saved to Axis Track. So now, anyone searching in Track will see the composite that I just created if they were to search for earthquake again. It's as simple as that, to share and reskin graphics with everyone in your organization from anywhere in the world using Axis World Graphics.